I don't tell the guy make it chillax.
I didn't tell the guy I'm in the kitchen.
Kitchen. Hello everyone, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again, but today Daodu is absent, so it's just I, and I have a very special guest here today, my friend
Regina.
Okay, she's Regina and she's from Jamaica. So today we'll be having a collaboration with her channel. She does like natural hair stuff. Link in the description box. So click and subscribe to her channel. We're going to be doing Nigerian Pidgin and Jamaican Patois challenge. So I'm going to be saying something in Pidgin and she's going to try to say it in English, the right English. And she's going to be saying something in Patois and I'm going to try to say it in the right English. So I think it's going to be fun. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. All right.
Okay.
Thank you for that introduction. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So
who goes first?
Right.
Okay. I don't chop.
I'm done eating.
Oh. I was thinking we were gonna get that wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so in Pidgin you say you don't chop, I don't chop. So it's like your intonation, how you say it. You don't chop, I don't chop. Yeah,
oh,
okay.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, this one. Where you want finiam?
Once more.
Where you want finiam?
Where? Where is something?
Should I say it again?
Yeah.
Where you want finiam?
What do you want to eat? Wow. Okay. So next one from me. Wetin you dey yarn?
Huh?
Wetin you dey yarn?
Something yarn?
Do you have any idea? Waiting. You dey yarn.
Wait, I'm waiting on you.
Okay, so I'm gonna give the answer. It's what are you talking about?
What?
Yeah.
Waiting
you dey yarn. Yarn is like talking.
Okay.
What are you talking
well,
about?
I would not have gotten that one.
Okay.
Right, Pete, me say tapping eye.
Really, Regina?
that was too long.
That was difficult. That was so long.
Alright.
Okay.
Pitney, come here.
I should know this one because I watched the movie. Picnic means child.
Yes.
Come. Okay, I watched Luke Cage. So like there was a scene there that had like Jamaican patois, picnic, me picnic, like that.
Oh wow, okay.
Okay, yeah. So like
Pitney, come here.
yeah, so like you're telling your child to come here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. Next. You don't dey go?
You went there?
Close. You don't dey go?
Are you going
Yeah.
there? Oh.
Yes, that's
Okay.
it. You don't dey go. Okay.
I'm gonna have to back my phone out for these Esther.
Really? Why? You want to give me difficult ones?
Yeah, like thinking of the simple ones, it's kind of like, what do I say? Go for me things.
Go for me things. Go find my things.
Okay, that was too easy. That was too easy.
Go find my things. Okay.
Or go for
something.
yeah, go for
okay.
my stuff.
Alright. So, what should I give you?
Jamaicans, don't attack me. Okay, for checking my phone. Okay, it's just really easier to like come up with phrases.
Nadia, you won't stay. Nadia, you want stay? Nadia, you want stay?
You wanna stay there?
Yeah. Okay, that was very easy.
Yeah, it was easy. I feel like we should level up.
Level up.
Yeah,
Okay,
make it more difficult.
let's level up. Okay.
All right, do like some sentences.
Okay.
I go and cook some stewed chicken.
I'm going to cook stew chicken.
Oh, wow, yes.
That was quite easy. Okay. I be one go there, she say make I wait. I be one go there, she say make I wait.
I wanted to go, but she told me to wait.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I feel like both patois and
Yeah, there's some things
pidgin is like
similar that I can just guess and be like, oh,
Yeah,
I think this is what it is.
because they're both like a mixture
Pidgin
of
or-
English, or,
yeah.
you know, yeah. So it's peas and peas.
G's and P's. Like G's and P's. What's G's and P's?
G's and peas.
Guys wanna pee.
Oh, way off, way off.
Way off. I don't know. G's and P. No idea.
Okay, that means oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh.
Wow, G's and P's. Wow, way different. Okay. I don't tell the guy make it chillax.
Sorry, what?
I don't tell the guy make it chillax.
I don't tell the guy move.
I don't tell the guy make it chillax.
The guy something locks.
Okay, I don't tell the guy make it chillax.
I didn't tell the guy I'm in the kitchen.
Kitchen, no. Okay, so what I said was I told the guy to like calm down, chillax, like chill.
Oh.
So that's it.
Oh.
Right, so
Alright, so time for the a little
difficult
sentences.
Okay. So who goes first?
Okay, I'll go.
Uh,
Mr. The little girl just chaka chaka.
oh my god. One more.
Mr. The little girl just chaka chaka.
You're looking at the girl anyhow.
We say the little girl just chaka chaka.
Oh, the little, oh, like little girl. I don't know. What's chaka chaka?
Like a messy or untidy.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's a little similar. That's not like okay. The little girl is messy.
Yeah.
All right. I didn't get that one. I don't dare here.
One more time.
You don't dare where I don't dare here.
You don't dare.
Where I don't dare here.
Don't do that when I'm not here.
No. Okay, so what I said was it's been long. I've been here for so long.
Ah, yes, we have.
You don't dare where I don't dare here. Okay.
Okay, my next one is the same as they look good enough. Mega pay jar.
Jeez. I'm finished. Once more.
The slim as they look good. Mega pay jar.
Like the slimmer they are, the better they are. I don't know.
The slim as they, that slim girl
Okay.
looks good.
Ah,
So
that slim
I'm
girl
gonna-
looks
I'm
good.
gonna say hello.
Ah.
Mega pay jar. I'm
Mega
gonna say
pay
hello.
jar.
Or
Wow.
I'm gonna say something to her.
Okay. So been talk say the guy no ja.
I've been talking that the guy knows God.
No. Ja. Oh, you
no.
guys say ja for good. No.
The guy knows you or her.
No.
What's Ja?
Okay,
Oh,
so,
here.
no. Okay, so I've been saying the guy is not wise. Or he's not sharp.
Ja is wise?
It's not sharp, it's not like wise. Yeah.
Also, I've been saying that the guy is not
Wise, it's not sharp.
Ah.
Yeah. So ja.
I've been saying Abise. So sorry, say it one more time. I want to learn that. Abise.
Okay, me been say the guy no ja.
Oh.
So me been say the guy no ja.
Okay. They on the bag chatting, so in the morrows.
Are you rapping?
Rapping. Me and they on the bag chatting, so in the morrows.
I was chatting with someone. Okay. That's all. You were chatting with someone a mile away.
You got the chatting part, right?
Okay, so
me now they pan, so I'm not into like any talking with you. So tomorrow, in the morrows, tomorrow.
Wow,
so like bye, you're talking too much, so bye or something.
Wow. Okay, the guy don't do the holla waiting safe.
The guy down the hall is waiting.
No. The guy don't do the holla waiting safe.
The guy something.
The guy something. Okay, the guy has been. What's holla? I don't know. Getting angry for too long. Like what?
Oh,
why?
holla! As in holler.
Like holla. That's what I'm saying. The guy don't do the holla waiting safe.
So
like what's wrong? Why have you been getting angry for so long? Like what's your problem? Like that.
Yeah, I should have gotten that one.
Okay.
Alright, my last
one.
Yo, them brushes are slap way.
Okay, this is getting too difficult.
Yeah, I feel like I went in with the difficulty.
Okay.
You probably would never guess what brushes is. I don't know if you even know if they like have it in Nigeria. No. I'm not sure.
No.
But
What's
yo,
that?
them brushes slap way or yo, them brushes are bono. So
I don't know. This is what it sounds like.
alright,
Okay.
brochet is Jamaican, like we kind of eat it like a staple.
What?
So it's a food.
Oh my god.
I'll show you real quick.
Okay.
I say that one for last. So you guys can learn a little bit about Jamaican culture. Lord, me miss breadfruit.
You miss.
So it's actually called breadfruit.
Okay. Okay, I see.
This one here.
Oh no, I've never seen this one before.
Yeah, so you could boil it, roast it, fry it. I love the roast and fry. That's my favorite, and we eat it with ackee and sauce.
Okay, say it in
But
patois.
me never take everything. God does love breadfruit.
Okay, sure you never come off for there. They don't follow you yan since you know here.
Oh, whoa.
I think it's it's
First
one
of
difficult.
all,
That
that was too fast and too long. Alright, one more time.
Okay, sure you know go come out there. They don't follow you yan since you know here.
Sure.
Shay you know go come out there. They don't follow you yan since you know here.
I'm gonna follow you wherever you go.
No. Okay, it means like Shay you know go come out there. They don't follow you yan since you know here. Like once you leave there, they've been talking to you since. Like you're not listening. Like you can use it when someone is about to fight or something. Like just get out of there and yeah, that's it. A lot of people have been talking to you to stop and you're still there. Shay you know go come out there. Come out means leave. Yeah, they don't follow you yan since they've been talking to you. You know here. You can listen. but you're not listening.
Guys, okay, guys. I feel like if it was like written down, I would better be able to like translate it,
better.
Like so similar. The words are very similar. Some are similar to Patois, and it's very close to English. So if it was written down, but the sound for me is the sound. I'm just like,
what's that?
Yeah.
Okay, so like I really had fun making this video with my friend.
Me too. It was fun.
Yeah, so we're postponing this video for a long time. I'm so glad we finally did it.
Yeah.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also subscribe to her channel. Don't forget, I'll be dropping the link now in the description box, and also below this video just check you see the link to our channel or our channel name. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.